Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change graphics quality in Subnautica 2. It's quite easy. All you need to do, simply select the option settings, and in the graphics tab if you scroll you're gonna see the option or section for graphics quality. Right here the first option you have is run hardware benchmark, and if you don't know what it does, it runs a hardware benchmark and sets the graphics options to preset based on the result. So if you want to do it, just click on the option run, or you can also use the quality presets, like you can go for low, medium, high, epic or custom. Like if you set it on custom, that way you'll able to set the graphics quality according to you. Let me just choose medium, and now if you scroll we're gonna see settings like global illumination. Then you have the option for shadows, view distance, which you can adjust according to your device and according to your preference. You have the option for textures, shading. Then you can also change effects, reflections, and all the jazz will be editable or changeable from here. You can also adjust things like upscaling method. You can set it to, like, you can just completely turn off this, or you can set it on TSR or DLSS, whatever you prefer. Simply choose that. Then you can also change the upscaling quality, like if you just go to DLAA, it would be just the better one, or you can just set it to quality. If you really looking for performance, then I would recommend you to go for ultra performance or performance, but again it is up to you. And also you have settings related to window mode, like you can go for full screen, that way you'll able to unlock more resolutions. Like you can go for 1280 by 720 or whatever resolution you like, but personally I keep it on windowed full screen. You can also set the frame rate limit, like currently it is turned off, but you can cap your frame rate to 144, 120, whatever you like. And also you can turn on or off vertical sync. You can also turn on or off motion blur, underwater blur. All these things are completely changeable from here. Once you're happy with the changes, just simply hit the option apply, and that way your changes will be saved on game. So yeah guys, this is the process you need to follow to change graphics quality in Subnautica 2. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.